Welcome to English Blackboard Teacher Channel. Welcome to Teacher's English Lesson. Today I'm going to introduce to you adjectives. Adjectives are words that come before noun and describes the noun. Example, red flower. Red comes before flower and it describes the color of the flower. You can use adjectives to explain the 7 aspects that you see on the blackboard. So now let's look deeper into each aspect. Okay, appearance refers to how someone looks or something looks, and characteristics refers to how someone behaves or something behaves. So handsome man is appearance, adjectives handsome. Hardworking man, adjectives hardworking. Okay. Next, we look at weather surrounding situation. Weather basically hot, rain, snowy, sunny weather. Surrounding explains a place, beautiful place, amazing place. Situation explains a particular event, like for example, blazing fire. So blazing, beautiful and hot are adjectives. Okay, now describing things, we are talking about a book, hardcover book, a big book, a square book, white book. So hardcover is things, a big size, square is actually shape, and white is actually the color of the book. So all these words are describing the book, they are adjectives. Okay, now we look at emotions, food, quantity and quality. Emotions basically how you feel, angry, sad, happy, scared. Food is the taste of the food, delicious food. Quantity and quality. Quantity refers to the amount of the food. Quality, is it good or not? A lot of food, that is quantity. Fresh food is quality. Lastly, we will look at words describing comparison. A is tall, B is taller than A, C is the tallest. So the word tall, taller and tallest are actually adjectives because they describe the differences of height. That is all for today's lesson. The resources help vocabulary module, you can get it in the link in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe to English Blackboard Teacher to always get updated with new tutorial videos. We'll see students in the next lesson. Thank you.